Lucan, Pharsalia, Episode 3. Hel quantum terdrae potuit pelagi quepardradri, hoc quem qui will les hause erdrant sanguina dextrae, un devenit ti tan et nox ubi si deracondit, qua dies medius flagrantibus aestu ad hordris, et qua brum ardrigens ac nescia ve reremitti, a stringit scythico glacialem frigordra pontum. Lucan begins lines 13 through 18 with this interjection, Hell, alas, blast it, how much of earth quantum terdrae could have been, and of the sea could have been gained, pardradri, or taken, acquired. Quantum is neuter, singular, and it is nominative. Because it is the subject of potuit, both terdrae and pelagi are partitive genitives. Terrae is a feminine singular partitive genitive, and pelagi is a masculine singular. Land and sea. How much of land and sea could have been acquired? Parari. This is a present passive infinitive from the first conjugation verb, paro. How much quantum hoc sanguine, by this blood, how much by this blood which civiles dextrae, these are citizens' right hands, civiles dextrae, feminine plural, and nominative as the subject. Both of these are adjectives, dextrae is being used as a substantive, right hand meaning war, and civiles modifying it. So, by this blood which citizens' right hands drank, hauserunt. This is the perfect, third plural, perfect indicative active of the fourth conjugation verb haurio, haurire, to drink or to drain. And hoc sanguine here in the masculine singular and ablative being used as an ablative of instrument. By this blood which citizens' right hands drank, how much land and sea could have been acquired. Whence, meaning from the place where, whence unde Titan rises, this is the sun, and where ubi nox sidera condit, night covers over the constellations. This is an expression for saying east and west. Whence Titan comes, that's of course the east, and where the night covers over the stars, that's a reference to the west. Poetic ways of expressing these ideas. And que, in the place where, that's qua, in the place where the noonday, dies medius, burns, aestuat, flagrantibus horis, with their blazing hours. Flagrantibus horis, feminine plural, and ablative, from hora, horai, first declension, feminine, modified by flagrantibus, which is a participle, from the first conjugation verb flagro, flagrare, to burn, to blaze. So in the place where the midday sun burns with its blazing hours. And where, qua bruma, this is feminine singular nominative, it means the shortest day of the year, the winter solstice, and so by metonymy it means simply winter. And where rigid, cold, hard winter, and a winter that nescia does not know how to yield at all, where that winter astringit, touches upon or glazes over glacialem pontum, the frozen sea, with its Scythian freezing frigore. Scythico frigore, this is neuter, singular, and ablative, from the third declension noun frigus frigoris, which is neuter, as I said. Notice here Lucan's interlocking word order in this line and its artistry. So first we have the verb astringit, then we have a scythico, which is an adjective, then we have another adjective, glacialem, then we have the noun, which scythico modifies, and then we have the noun, which glacialem modifies, A, B. Or, if we look at this in terms of not modification, but part of speech, we have scythico, adjective, glacialem, adjective, frigore, noun, pontum, noun. The symmetry and the interlocking nature is broken up by the placement of the verb at the beginning of the line. And here the Titan Atlas is holding up some chemical compound, I suppose.